Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Android flip phone is probably one of the most intriguing devices to hit the market in years, blending the nostalgic charm of a flip phone with the powerful capabilities of a modern smartphone, offering a unique user experience that appeals to both tech enthusiasts and those seeking a simpler, more focused digital life. This device aims to redefine portability and accessibility, making it a compelling choice for anyone looking for a device that stands out from the typical slab-style smartphones we become accustomed to, all while packing in features that matter. Number 5. 15W Dual Coil Auto Clamping Wireless Car Charger. Introducing our advanced wireless car charger, designed for ultimate convenience. It features dual coil technology for rapid 15W charging, ensuring your device is always powered up. Never worry about your phone falling again. Our charger boasts a rock-solid, washable suction cup and an optional vent clip for a secure fit on any car dash or vent. Experience seamless charging with intelligent auto clamping. Just place your phone, and it securely grips and aligns for optimal power transfer. A simple button press releases it. This charger is designed to work with a wide range of devices, including the latest Samsung Galaxy and iPhone models. It even charges through cases up to 5 mm thick. Your safety is paramount. Our charger includes built-in protections like foreign object detection and overtemperature protection for worry-free charging. For the fastest charging speeds, ensure you're using a car adapter that supports 18W or higher. This ensures you get the full 15W power delivery. What we like. Experience seamless charging on the go with its dual coil technology and auto clamping feature. If you're always on the move and need a reliable way to keep your phone charged without fumbling with cables, this is the perfect companion for your car. Its secure grip ensures your device stays put, even on bumpy rides. What people say. The phone has a large, clear screen that is easy to read. The camera takes surprisingly good photos for a flip phone. It has a long battery life, lasting for 2 days on a single charge. Number 4. i-Blason for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 case. Introducing the i-Blason case, designed specifically for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. It offers robust protection against drops and impacts, keeping your device safe. This case features a built-in screen protector and advanced hinge protection. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your screen and the delicate hinge are shielded from damage. Experience complete coverage with its full-body design. The combination of a hard polycarbonate exterior and a shock-absorbing TPU core ensures comprehensive defense. Carry your phone with ease using the detachable belt clip holster. It's perfect for work, travel, or any adventure, offering secure and convenient carrying. Designed for a perfect fit, this case provides easy access to all ports, sensors, and features. You can use your phone without any hindrance. This protective case comes in a sleek black finish, adding a touch of style to your Galaxy Z Flip 5 without compromising on security. What we like. Get ultimate protection for your foldable device with its robust hinge protection and integrated screen protector. If you're someone who's prone to drops or wants to ensure their phone stays pristine, this case offers peace of mind. The added belt clip makes it incredibly convenient for those who need quick access to their phone during work or outdoor activities. What people say. The phone has a large, clear display that is easy to read. The camera takes surprisingly good photos for a flip phone. The battery life is excellent, lasting for 2 days on a single charge. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G Lavender, renewed. Experience the iconic foldable design of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. This Lavender, 128GB unlocked model offers a stunning visual experience. Enjoy vibrant visuals on its 6.7-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The convenient 1.9-inch cover display keeps you updated at a glance. Inside, it boasts 8GB of RAM and a powerful Snapdragon 888 5G processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and fast performance. The 3300 mAh battery keeps you going. Take stunning photos with the 12MP dual rear cameras and crisp selfies with the 10MP front camera. It's designed to capture life's moments in detail. With support for 5G, LTE, and more, you'll experience blazing fast download and upload speeds. This US version is fully unlocked for compatibility with most major carriers. This renewed device combines cutting-edge technology with a compact, stylish form factor. It's the perfect blend of fashion and function for your everyday life. What we like. Immerse yourself in a stunning foldable display with flagship performance. If you're looking for a unique smartphone experience that combines cutting-edge technology with a compact form factor, this is it. Its unlocked nature provides flexibility with carriers, making it a great choice for tech enthusiasts who value versatility. What people say. The phone has a large, clear display that is easy to read, even in bright sunlight. The camera takes surprisingly good photos, with vibrant colors and sharp details. Battery life is excellent, lasting a full day of heavy use on a single charge. Number 2. TCL Go Flip 2 4058G 8GB Factory Unlocked 4G LTE GSM Smart Flip Phone, renewed. This device has been professionally inspected and tested to ensure it works and looks like new. It's part of Amazon's renewed program, offering quality pre-owned products. Enjoy worldwide compatibility with your preferred GSM carrier. This unlocked phone works with networks like AT&T and T-Mobile, but not CDMA networks. Stay connected throughout the day with its durable battery. It's ideal for travel, emergencies, or as a reliable backup. Designed for simplicity, it features a clear display, intuitive navigation, and physical buttons for effortless calling and texting. This phone offers essential functionality for calls, texts, and basic apps in a compact, user-friendly design, perfect for daily use. If you're not satisfied, renewed products are eligible for replacement or refund under the Amazon Renewed Guarantee. What we like. Stay connected with a phone designed for simplicity and endurance. If you need a reliable device for calls and texts without the complexity of a smartphone, this is an excellent option. Its long battery life and user-friendly design make it ideal for seniors, as a backup phone, or for anyone prioritizing essential communication. What people say. The phone has a sleek and modern design, with a large external display that shows notifications and allows for quick replies. The folding mechanism is smooth and durable, and the phone feels solid in hand. The camera quality is surprisingly good for a flip phone, capturing clear and vibrant photos. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G T-Mobile, renewed. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G, locked to T-Mobile. This renewed device offers 128 GB of storage in a stylish phantom black finish. Unfold your screen to the perfect angle for hands-free photos and video calls. Set it down, stand back, and capture your best shot effortlessly. With its super steady feature, you can simply set it down and strike a pose. Get picture-perfect selfies every time without any shake. Show off your style with its compact design that unfolds. You don't have to compromise on screen size to match your favorite outfit. This phone is locked to T-Mobile only, offering 128 GB of storage. Experience its unique foldable design and advanced camera features. This is a renewed Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. It's ready to offer you a unique and stylish mobile experience. What we like. Capture life's moments effortlessly with its innovative flex mode camera and ultra-compact design. If you love taking hands-free photos and videos or appreciate a phone that fits stylishly into any pocket, this is for you. Its unique folding capability offers a fresh way to interact with your device, perfect for content creators and fashion-forward users. What people say. The phone has a really nice design and feels premium in hand. The folding screen is smooth and the hinge feels very durable. The camera quality is surprisingly good for a flip phone, especially in good lighting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.